Opportunities will also soon be available for eligible families waiting for their build-to-order flats. They can get vouchers to rent HDB flats from the open market. It's under an expansion of the Parenthood Provisional Housing Scheme to help families with interim housing. The move is part of a broader government efforts to support families across all life stages, from preschool to old age. Choo reports.
For families needing a place to stay while they wait for their new built-to-order flats to complete, renting from HDB at a subsidized rate has long been an option under the Parenthood Provisional Housing Scheme. But supply hasn't always kept pace with demand.
I will therefore provide a PPHS open market voucher for 1 year to support eligible families who rent a HDB flat in the open market.
The move could be a very welcome reprieve for a scheme that has been extremely popular. Application rates have been very high, at more than 20 times in 2021, before easing to around 3 times oversubscribed last year. That's as HDB ramps up supply of flats under the scheme, from 800 units in 2021 to nearly 2,000 units in 2023. The hope is that expanding this option to the open market would help these households meet their urgent housing needs. Helping families with young children by making preschool more affordable is also a priority. Mr. Wong says he will cut monthly childcare fee caps next year to $640 for anchor operators and $680 for partner operators. Preschool subsidies for lower-income families will also be enhanced to help level the playing field.
Currently, more subsidies are given to children with working mothers. I will extend these higher subsidies to all children from lower-income families, including those with non-working mothers. This will benefit up to 17,000 children.
Older kids in school will get a leg up too, with a $2 billion top-up to the EduSave Endowment Fund. For families of persons with special needs, he'll lower the fee caps at all special student care centres and cut maximum monthly fees at special education or SPED schools by $60. In anticipation of rising healthcare costs, people between 21 and 50 will get a one-time Medisave bonus of up to $300.
This will benefit about 1.4 million Singaporeans and help them to cover their smaller medical bills and insurance premiums.
The government will also update the per capita household income thresholds to provide higher subsidies to schemes like MediShield Life and the Community Health Assist Scheme, or CHAS, for primary care. This benefit to more than 1 million Singaporeans means additional government spending of around $300 million per year. A new national program to help seniors age well will see $3.5 billion set aside over the next decade. Initiatives include more active aging centres and assisted living options, plus upgrades to make residential estates and transport infrastructure safer and more senior-friendly.
The suite of investments we are making in education, housing, retirement, and healthcare, they speak to our steadfast commitment to address the needs of our families and seniors through every stage of life.
These long-term plans, he says, are meant to better assure Singaporeans about their future well-being and ensure the country remains a home for all Singaporeans.
Jalan Besar GRC MP Denise Phua describes the budget as one that is very well-stitched. She especially welcomes efforts to lower fees for special education or SPED schools. But she also says, and she also called for longer-term solutions.
I think it's wonderful to have the SPED school fees reduced. That will solve the immediate concerns of some of the families. We need to look further in terms of the lifelong learning as well, opportunities for these group of students. So I think there'll be more to do, but this is a good start to support our families with special needs children.